Guys, welcome back to our video. My name is Isaac4453 or Isaac Ridike, and we're now playing hide and seek. And please don't forget to like that button and please subscribe. And we will start now. But I just joined this and still expectating. We'll just wait 7 more. This is the time, guys. 58 seconds. 46. 45. We're waiting for it. The others. There's still many. Oh, this is the Lauren color. This looks like a girl. Yeah, maybe it's a girl. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Starting. Oh man, what happened to my screen? What map? What's up? Oh, no, that's alright. That's alright. That's alright. Okay. I hope not me. Not me. Not me. Not me. Lauren again? Her? She? Again. She's it again. What?
Bye.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
All are saying bye. This is my secret. No. Oh. It's okay. It's okay.
Bye.
It's alive.
Bye.
Oh, look at my necklace. We must hide. Oh, I missed that. There you go. Still not. Oh, he didn't saw me. He didn't saw me. I just saw his name. Let's go here. But be careful, guys. When you went here, be careful. This is a secret. This is a... it will not find you here. Sometimes, if they know, they can find you. But this is the best part. No one can see me. Where is he now? Is he a table? Oh, he's very far now. Oh, there. Yes. Run for your life. Oh man, you can do it. Where's the other? Are they jumping? There. It's a girl. Oh. Why you can't jump? You can't jump. The 8. Okay. I'm sliding. Penguin is still there.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Run! Oh, Foxy Cowell! I can see your name. What? What? I'm confused. Where's that girl? Where? Did you see it, guys? Or she... Oh! Or... Please don't go there. The tree house, the bird house, like that. Run! Run! Don't jump! Don't... Oh! Yeah, don't jump. It's hitting your head. I saw someone there. I just saw... No one's here. Come on. He stopped. He stopped. Fox. Flower ko. She can see you. Now she's coming. I knew it. She will come up there. I heard this it is a girl. I heard this. He just turned into boy skin. He's trying to jump. Oh. 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 He's not jumping. Oh. Yeah. We survived. I'm the first in my name. Yeah. Pets. What? Not me. Not. Ah, yes, so close. Please, not me. Ah, yes. Yeah, not me. Starting. Is this Ethan's bedroom? Ah, what? What? Oh. Okay, how I am at the top? Okay. We must go there. No. It's okay. I have a best spot also here. It's there. There. Okay. I like this animation. This is new. Before it's like the normal. This animation is a freaking real already. See? We're here to jump. There you go. Wait. Let's try this way. Jump. Jump. I can't go. Never mind. I'll just go that there. That's so close. Oh man. Wait. How we right jump? Ah! That's so close. Oh, I must stay here because the it will not. Oh, I must stay there, so it will not can. So the it will not jump. It can't catch me. No, not me. Ah! Please. No! She didn't touch me. She didn't. She didn't. I was so far. Really? Seriously? Oh. She didn't see that. There's a guy over there. See that? There. That's it. And she's trying to jump. Oops. Oh no. Here she comes. She went down. I don't wanna spectate. Really, I don't want. I want to go around. Yeah, I wanna be around something. What? Oh no. You again. You must do it. Just do it. I died there. Oh, oh shit, stop. I just saw again. Ah. There are only, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Oh. They're both here. Why it didn't see this? Why they don't even see this? Let's see, who is that from is the top? It's the it. Yeah. I know their trick. Wait, I'm gonna check. Wait, how did it? How did? Oh, okay. Like a bridge. Oh, too far. 4 are alive. I hope your kitchen or workshop again. Come on. I hope not me. So close. Oh. She is it. Okay. Hey. I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise. Again? She is a bear. A polar bear. Is it a polar bear? I must run. I must run. Not again. Here. She must be fast. So she will not catch us. Help me. Oh, wait. There you go. There you go. Thanks for the coin. Come on. Yeah. No. Why? That's so close. Whee! I wanna come up there. Yes. Yeah. Got the corner. She died. There's explosion. So close, so close. That's it. Someone died. Boy! Ay, why are you... Oh! I didn't notice that. What? Oh. Sorry guys. I die again. I was found. See, I was found. Is this what kind of bear? Is this a polar bear? I never seen this before. I just see a girl and a boy. Now I just saw this. See? Oh, they all died. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are alive. I mean 5. 5 alive. There are 5. What? Think. Oh. No one's here. What's up? Okay. That's it. Alright guys, I'm gonna thank you for joining our video, and please don't forget to like that button below, and please subscribe, and thanks for watching, and see you next time guys. Bye.